Are you wondering how to get all those blue marks out of your quilt after using a stencil? It's easier than you think. You will need a spray bottle, baking soda, and 1 cup of cold water. In your spray bottle, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 cup of ice cold water. Once the baking soda is dissolved, go ahead and just spray this onto your quilt. I have a quilt here that I just finished sewing, but this is one that I marked back in April of this year, so just over 6 months ago. This quilt I marked with the Singer Blue water-soluble marking pen. With my quilt, since the marker had been there for 6 months, and since I had a pretty substantial line drawn, I did spray this quilt quite liberally with this solution. You will want to make sure you're spraying this in an area where you can wipe up any overspray. When the overspray does dry, there can be a slight white powdery residue from the baking soda. I've done this on my floor and my screened-in porch and on the table. In both instances, it's cleaned up with no issues. Once you spray the area, just let it sit and watch the marks disappear. For this quilt, it took around 4 minutes for the marks to clear. But as you can see, they're all gone. I now plan to bind and wash this quilt and then start enjoying the crinkling goodness this Hexipop stencil provides.